Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot OPPO A6x. Alright, so let's begin. The process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by holding the power key and volume up. Actually, we only need to tap them. As you can see, the power menu appears. Now, we just need to select the restart function, drag this white ball to the upside, and now simply release your finger. Now your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and our device will be ready to use. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during that process our phone rests. Also the RAM gets freed up, so it can help with performance of our phone. And also if your device is lagging, or for example your apps doesn't want to launch, that's also the moment where you can try to reboot your phone and everything should start working properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.